How did Nuremberg trial judges define new ethical legal territory? Imagine a courtroom where the rules of justice are rewritten. That's what happened at the Nuremberg trials, a moment that changed how we see responsibility for crimes. After World War II, the world faced a big question. Can leaders be held accountable for actions taken during war? The judges at Nuremberg answered with a bold new approach. They decided that individuals, even high-ranking officials, could be personally responsible for crimes under international law. This was a major shift from older ideas that only states could be punished. The judges made it clear that following orders was not an excuse for illegal acts. They rejected the idea that a person could hide behind their government or boss. Instead, they said that everyone must answer for their actions. The trials also set clear definitions for crimes like planning an aggressive war, breaking the laws of war, and harming civilians on a large scale. These definitions helped create a new legal framework that went beyond national laws. The judges also said that the defense of having been told to do something illegal was not automatically valid. They decided that following orders could be a defense only if the act was legal. The court used a mix of legal procedures from different systems, allowing evidence that might not normally be accepted. The standard of proof was very high, meaning the evidence had to show guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The Nuremberg trials limited their focus to crimes committed by the Axis powers, especially Nazi Germany. But they set a precedent for future international justice. They challenged the idea that governments and their leaders were above the law. Instead, they established that no one is above international rules. The principles from Nuremberg have influenced many later tribunals, including those for crimes in Yugoslavia and Rwanda. These trials created a new sense that justice must be served for atrocities, no matter who commits them. In the context of Holocaust history, the Nuremberg trials marked a turning point. They recognized the systematic genocide and atrocities as crimes that could not be ignored. The judges' decisions helped define a new ethical and legal space where accountability is a must. This was a moment when the world said that justice is for everyone, and no one is above the law.